Ambasadora Polonia Beata Stoczynska HTT, eleição presidencial tinane sa exemplo dia para desenvolvimento democracia, mas que Timor-Leste foi um ano total tinan ruanulu.
Ambasadora Polonia Beata Stoczynska hatoa assunto ne hafoin halo audiência ho Presidente da República José Manuel Ramos Horta e Palácio Presidente Aitara Claran dele segunda-feira ne.
Oh, I have to say that your elections, presidential elections, was an excellent example of the developed democracy. The whole world observed carefully the elections in Timor-Leste, and we really respect your development in democracy. We see Timor-Leste like 20 years already democracy, so it's already, let's say, adult democracy, still young, but of course almost adult. And Poland, as Poland, we will always support democracy in Timor-Leste, and we are willing to cooperate as much as possible.
Nia hatutang durante minuto balão encontro o chefe Estado culia com a política, economia, setor energia, agricultura, no se halo cooperação e a setor oi nebe dia cliutan e a futuro entre Polândia e Timor-Leste.
I came to Timor-Leste for 1 week, and I am really so happy to meet so many people, especially Minister President. We discussed possible cooperation, political dialogue between Poland and Timor-Leste, and also economic cooperation in medical sector, in agriculture sector, in energy sector. So I do hope that we can do together more, Poland and Timor-Leste, especially as we celebrate this year 20th anniversary of the diplomatic relations, so we are already good friends, and I hope that we can do more in many sectors. Also education, vocational studies, we can help in education to be improved here in Timor-Leste.
Reportagem Salfiana Kai Televisão Timor Post.